Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how England looks. England is a country of remarkable natural beauty, showcasing a wide array of landscapes. From the gentle, rolling hills of the South Downs to the rugged peaks of the Lake District, its scenery is incredibly diverse. You'll find expansive plains, ancient woodlands, and dramatic coastlines stretching for thousands of miles. It's a truly picturesque place with something for everyone to explore. England presents a fascinating contrast between its bustling urban centers and its tranquil rural areas. Cities like London, Birmingham, and Manchester are vibrant hubs of commerce and culture, featuring modern architecture and diverse populations. Yet, just a short journey away, you discover charming villages, historic market towns, and vast stretches of unspoiled countryside, offering a peaceful escape. When exploring England, you'll encounter an incredible array of iconic landmarks and architectural styles. From the imposing medieval castles and magnificent cathedrals to the elegant Georgian and Victorian stately homes, history is etched into the landscape. Many towns and cities beautifully blend these historic structures with contemporary designs, creating a unique visual tapestry that tells centuries of stories. England is rich in natural beauty, with numerous protected areas and green spaces. Its 10 national parks, such as the Peak District and the Lake District, offer breathtaking scenery, from dramatic mountains to serene lakes. The country's extensive coastline, spanning over 3,000 miles, features everything from white cliffs to sandy beaches. There are also countless public footpaths for exploring the countryside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.